Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford Edge versus Explorer. Let's dive right into their fundamental differences, starting with size and seating. The Edge is a mid-size, two-row SUV, comfortably seating 5. In contrast, the Explorer is a larger, three-row SUV designed to accommodate up to 7 passengers. This extra row makes a significant difference for larger families or those needing more passenger capacity. When it comes to performance, both SUVs offer robust options, but the Explorer generally provides more power. The Edge typically features a standard 2.0-liter engine producing 250 horsepower. The Explorer's base engine is a 2.3-liter, delivering 300 horsepower. For towing, the Explorer truly shines, capable of pulling up to 5,600 pounds, significantly more than the Edge's 3,500 pounds. Inside, both vehicles offer comfortable cabins, but the Explorer's larger size translates to more cargo capacity. The Edge provides 73.4 cubic feet of maximum cargo space with its rear seats folded. The Explorer, however, boasts 87.8 cubic feet, offering substantial room for gear. Both SUVs come equipped with advanced technology, including large touchscreen infotainment systems and various driver assistance features for a connected and safe ride. Finally, let's consider price and overall value. The Ford Edge typically has a more accessible starting price, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The Explorer, while often starting higher, frequently includes more standard features, especially in its upper trims, offering excellent value for its size and capabilities. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Choosing between them depends on your specific needs and priorities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.